The DJI Air 2S is being released next week, as of the date of this video. The 1-inch sensor is getting everyone excited, even me. But we need to talk about the elephant in the room. Hi everyone, Stephen from the Flyby Guys. How are you all doing? If you like drones and tech, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're giving you advice, help and tips. This is my job, so I want to help you along the way and share my experience. So the DJI Air 2S is being released next week. The 1-inch sensor and all the other features which are in this drone are getting everyone excited. And as I said, I am excited too. However, one thing which is being reported which will stop me from buying this drone is the fixed aperture. The Mavic 2 Pro and the Phantom 4 version 2, which all have a 1-inch sensor, have variable apertures, which allow us to have more control over the light that comes in as well. Now that means that we don't rely too much on ND filters, but when you have a fixed aperture, as you do on the Mavic Air 2 and the Mini 1 and Mini 2, you really need to focus more on ND filters if you want to get your photos absolutely right. Now, with this 1-inch sensor, I would expect a variable aperture, but it seems that this is not going to be the case. So I will not be buying this drone. I will wait for the upgrade of the Mavic 2 Pro, which I doubt they will call Mavic 3, but the DJI 3 maybe they'll call it, I don't know. I think there's something special coming there, so I'm going to hold out for that. But make sure that if you're going to go for the DJI Air 2S, make sure that you are focused on ND filters, because this is a good sensor. Don't get me wrong, it looks like a wonderful camera, but you should be a bit more careful. So I hope this is helpful to you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. There's more news, more information coming, and we'll see you again. Fly safe.